Hi, so welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will be teaching you how to do a side kick. So a side kick is one of the most basic and strongest kicks in martial arts. So let's learn how to do it. Alright? So side kick is a very versatile technique. You can use it as an offensive or defensive technique during sparring. We're mainly kicking the midsection area, so about your belt height. You can also go for a lower kick to the knees or to for a higher kick to the head. Alright, so for a side kick, there's really three steps that you want to take for a side kick. And there's three kind of variations that you can do for a side kick. So I'll be showing you those two things, right? So the basic kick that we start off with is the step behind kick side kick, right? So for this variation, you want to start off kind of sideways to your target. The first step that you will be making is stepping behind with your back leg. So you want to step behind with your back leg right here. You're going to, second step, bring your kicking leg up as high as you can. Third step is twisting your leg, so it's parallel to the floor. And then you want to execute the kick. If you notice, I am trying to kick with the heel, so kind of hitting with the heel. Always make sure you hit with the heel. And another thing to notice is my other leg, the leg that's on the floor, the heel is also pointing towards the target. So always think heel for both legs. So let me execute again so you can see it. Remember, first step behind, second step bring the leg up, third step turn, and then kick, execute, heel, heel. Alright, let's try one more time. So step behind, up, turn, kick. Okay, always make sure keeping your hands up as well. Alright, so if you're closer to your target and you still want to execute your kick, it's still going to be the same thing. It's kind of more of a defensive technique in this case. So you are going to be doing step 2 and 3, which is bringing your leg up, turn, and kick. Okay, so you're just standing in position. You won't be using your back leg in this case. So again, you just want to bring your leg up, turn, kick. Okay, and if you notice, my other leg also turned. So I'm not keeping it static. I'm actually moving it up, turn, heel is also facing the target. So heel, heel. Okay? And then finally, third variation on your kick. What if you have your leg back, but you still want to execute the kick? Alright, so in this case, use the same application. You're just going to do step 2 and 3. So you're going to be turning up, kick, execute. Okay? So again, I'm turning my leg, hitting with my heel, heel, heel. Okay? So again, you're in the back, you want to turn, bring your leg up, turn, kick, and then bring your leg back. Okay? Alright? So just to summarize, remember, start off with the basic variation, which is the step behind, up, turn, kick, heel, heel. Okay? You can stand closer to your target, up, execute, alright? Or if you have your leg behind, you want to turn, execute as well. Okay? And I did want to mention some of the mistakes sometimes people make, mainly for you to do the kick right, but also to keep you safe, just because of the turning of the knees, right? So always remember to turn that knee from the leg that's on the floor. Make sure you don't keep it static. That way you won't be damaging your knee. So always remember to twist your leg. Okay, twist the leg that's on the floor. Also, additionally, always remember to be kicking with your heel. Okay, this is not a roundhouse kick, so we don't want to kind of do this. Okay, or if you're stepping, don't. This is not the kick that we want to do. We just want to hit with the heel. Okay? So just for your safety, remember those tips. And also to execute the kick correctly, remember to always hit with the heel. So for your workout, you can practice those three variations, one after the other, maybe 10 reps of each. You can do right and left leg if you want. Remember to keep safe practicing and also just have fun. You can reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or on our website. If you have any questions, if you want to get to know more about our school, we would be happy to reach out to you. So, till next time.